Good Friday evening, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Harten. This is a social media update for those of you who want to find out the weather on the World Wide Web in Tallahassee. It's 51 degrees right now in Tallahassee. That's a little bit cold, but look at that dew point, 14 degrees with a 22% humidity. So it's very dry outside. That will allow the temperatures to drop pretty rapidly overnight. So this morning we had clouds mainly in the Georgia counties around US 84 up there in South Georgia, and some clouds are coming in from the west tonight. They might temper our drop in temperatures, but they should dissipate and we should still get very cold. On the water, northwesterly winds 5 to 15 knots, 1 to 2 foot seas. It's going to be a pretty good boating day, especially because it's one of the warmest days of the week. We're going for a high in the middle 60s before another cold front comes in on the Saturday night into Sunday. So tonight, right now, it's right around 45 degrees in Tallahassee. You can see how cold it gets, and the cold air drains down the peninsula all the way down into southwest Florida. We could be seeing 30s, but more likely 20s here in the Tallahassee and Big Bend region. As we go into tomorrow, you can see how we warm up a little bit more. This model is a little bit cold. I'm going for highs in the lower 60s. Down south, we might approach 70 degrees. So if you want warm weather, you're going to have to go all the way south to Miami. So, but tomorrow night, you can see the temperatures start to cool off more quickly as that cold front comes through. Look at the purple and white up in Atlanta, Georgia. That is indicative of very cold air. That will be spilling in during the day on Sunday, and therefore high temperatures on Sunday should struggle to reach 50 degrees. So tonight in Tallahassee, it will be very cold, 28 degrees. At least the wind won't be blowing as hard as it was last night, so it won't be feeling as cold, but you'll still need a heavy jacket. There is some concern for frost, but it shouldn't be a huge deal on your windshield. And for the day tomorrow, 28 degrees in the morning, but look how fast we warm up by the afternoon into those lower 60s. So you won't have to deal with the extreme cold for too long tomorrow. If you're going out for the softball game, 4:45 and 7 will be cooling off through the 40s as the cold front comes through. Go out and enjoy some softball versus Michigan, which we will hopefully beat them, because they're net ranked number 7. They're pretty good. And going into a 7-day, it's a very cold week for February. We're in a kind of pattern that's going to be indicative of very cold conditions. We got a cold shot coming in on Sunday, a little bit of moderation Monday and Tuesday, and a very cold and rainy day Tuesday and Wednesday, with rain in 30s Wednesday morning. Have a great night.